prompt for your web app. So the very first, I recommend you have to give the role of web app professional to Claude AI. After that, it might work as well as he can. Now, once you have done, you have to simply describe or you have to simply explain that what you want to create. So let me start with a simple basic structured prompt here.